today's video, I'm going to cover a slip basting stitch. This stitch is yet another stitch that will improve your sewing skills and just make everything run a little smoother. So with a slip basting stitch, just like any other basting, its intention is to keep things in place before you go into machine stitch. Pins can only do so much for us. A lot of the times I have my pins fall out while I'm trying to go through the machine. So slip basting is another style of stitch I really like to use, especially when I am trying to match my plaids or stripes, or if there is a large scale print that meets up at the edges, or if there is a pocket that's placed on top of that print and I need it to not budge while I'm machine stitching. This stitch is like my right hand man. It's gonna keep everything locked in place. I think I can't say that enough at this point. One other area is if you have intricate curves in the thing that you're sewing, this is another place that you can use this style of stitch. With that said, let's jump over to the tutorial part. If you like the video, make sure to leave me a comment below to let me know how helpful it was, or just simply give a thumbs up. I'd appreciate it. So let's jump to it.
So as you can see, I have a few stitches already lined up in my fabric. The swatch that I'm working on is too small, but I'm just making it work. And then also my fabric, I noticed, is very tightly woven. So you can definitely see me struggling here with the finest needle that I have, and just managing to get in and out of the fabric is quite a chore, but we keep moving, and so here we go. So to make the first stitch, you start from the bottom and you go over 1/4 inch, and then you'll exit on the same side of the fabric. And then once you exit, you will then jump to the fabric that's folded on top, go in over 1/4 inch, and then out. And then I also want to show you what the finished product looks like. This is only meant to be a temporary stitch, not for anything official, like final at all. So you can see that whenever I put a little bit of tension on it, this thing can pop right open. So again, this is only for making fabric stay in its place while you do a machine stitch or a more permanent hand stitch. So I hope you enjoyed the tutorial, and I'll see you next time.